Hi, I'm Valerie Bourg and I live in Lake Forest, California. My life before real estate, I became a mom. That's my life passion, was I always wanted to be a mom. I was in senior management at Boeing, and then I transitioned into owning my own business, and I sold my business and I got into real estate, which I absolutely love. I've always had a passion for people. I've always enjoyed real estate. I love Orange County, I love this area, so I just thought, hey, let me give this a shot. It's just worked out very nicely for my lifestyle. My kids grew up here, played sports here, I'm knowledgeable about the schools, so for me that kind of helped me just launch my career. I kind of searched out different brokers and wanted to go with one that I felt very solid about. They're a local broker, they're like #1 in Southern California, and I wanted that support system, and their corporate office is in Irvine. So I just met with them and had a really good feeling, went to their training, got my real estate license, and was kind of off and running. So when I first joined First Team Real Estate, some of the things that I just thought were so great that they offered me as a new agent was they have a program called Power Curve and then Power Curve Plus. So you go to these classes and they're once a week for 3 months, like a 12-week cycle, and there you get homework and there's videos and there's in class we do improv and the management and the people on the team at First Team, and you're also working with other agents, experienced and not experienced, and you kind of role play and just go through all the dynamics. They already have exclusive partnerships with many of the well-known companies, Disney, Amazon, Toyota. A lot of the companies that are based in Anaheim or Irvine or Los Angeles, they already have those partnerships and they're already very well known. I just thought that was a good mix, so I selected First Team, and they've honestly been absolutely wonderful. My absolute favorite thing in real estate is helping first-time buyers. I get so excited, and to hand them over the keys. We've walked the process together side by side. They're so excited, and I'm excited for them. I literally get goosebumps. They're starting out their life together in this new home, and they're gonna perhaps start a family, whatever the situation may be, and it's really exciting to be a part of that. I love helping people upgrade to their dream homes. It is so exciting. These are people that have done the work, saved for years, coupled with their equity in their home, plus their savings, they're able to get these fantastic homes with these amazing views, and they're so happy that all their hard work is paid off. And it's just a great feeling to be a part of that. So for me, I really pride myself not just knowing the houses on the market and off market and the homes themselves, but I pride myself in getting knowledgeable about the community itself. I always tell buyers, hey, let's focus on the things that you can't change. And if you're not comfortable with that community, let's find another one that you are. So I really do the research, make sure, if they're into hiking, that it has hiking trails. If they want local restaurants that they can walk to, then I seek that out for them. So it's not just the home per se, I seek out the community and the lifestyle that they're looking to move into. I do come across people that think oh, I want to get this house and there's no way I'll be able to afford it. And I go, you know what, let me sit down with you. Let me get our lender involved, our in-house lender. They're right upstairs. We work closely as a team together, and we kind of go over the numbers that they have equity or they have different investments, and we kind of look at it and we're going yes, you can afford that, especially when the interest rates are so low. So it's a matter of just working with everyone on my team to make sure they are getting what they want. I'm Valerie Bourg with First Team Real Estate, and I'd love to help you with your real estate needs.